usually in the mornings after I have my coffee, I come downstairs and do a load of laundry. I do it in the morning because we have a clothesline up on the porch and it's on the east side, so it's perfect for hanging stuff up to dry. I'm going to show you guys how I do this morning. I have some laundry detergent that I brought from the States. Actually, this bucket needs to be rinsed out a little. Okay, I'm gonna let those sheets and pillowcases soak in the bucket for a little while. And then I'm gonna come back and use this other bucket and rinse them out real good before I hang them up on the line. And the reason that I use the shower instead of like a hose outside is because it's the only hot water that we have. And we intend on getting a washing machine sooner or later, maybe whenever we're able to move down here full time, but until then it's 5-gallon buckets. So I also want to show you guys my little shower friend. He's been in the shower for 2 days now, and I've just been leaving him there because like you run him off and he comes back or another one comes back, so I'm just like, I've got a shower friend, and it's not that bad showering with the frog. He just stays in the corner. I don't know why, but it's kind of funny. So yesterday I went to go paint this wall over here and realized that we had forgotten that we needed to make a patch for a hole right there because we moved the outlet. So Chris is fixing the patch now, and I'll paint it tomorrow when he's finished. I just noticed when I sat this coconut down that there's one tiny little craboo. Little. Oh, there's a little ant on it too. So this is our craboo tree right here. And I don't really see any. I just guess it had one little craboo to make. It's not, I guess, the season for it.
Yeah, I think this one coming from Guatemala.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they get this from Guatemala.
Oh, that's so neat.
Yeah. So yeah, that's enough one.
All right. Are you from Guatemala?
No,
No, just the machine is from Guatemala.
Yeah.
Oh, and what is your name?
Manuel.
Manuel. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it's nice to meet you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna back up and take a picture of the whole thing here.
Thank you very much. Yeah, yeah. This is strawberry.
Okay.
Strawberry. This is orange. Orange. This is tambran. I don't know if you like tambran. Tambran.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You know what? I'll go ahead and take two,
Okay.
and I'll take one to my husband.
Okay.
And I'll try to drive really fast and get it before it melts.
It'll melt, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I do the next one. Milk, you like milk, right?
Uh-huh, yes.
Okay.
But maybe no milk for my
No,
husband.
not for your husband. Huh?
Yeah.
No, okay, let me put this inside for now because
Okay.
now it's gonna melt it when I do the next because I don't have enough ice. Yeah, this machine is. I'm not sure how this become machine.
Oh
Look,
no!
that's happened when the
When it gets little.
gets little.
Yeah.
it's broke. Yeah, but that happens every time. Yeah. One people next to 2 blocks. She make me a video the other day.
Yeah.
She put me in internet.
Oh.
I am in Mango Creek page.
Yeah.
I am in that page. I didn't know that. And one day somebody told me, "Oh, I saw you in Mango Creek page." I said, really? Yeah. I didn't know that. But that lady was.
Yeah.
She put me in. This one no milk, right?
No milk, right? Yeah. But he does like tamarind.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You like tamarind?
Mm-hmm. Yes. So have you always lived here in Mango Creek?
No, in Bella Vista.
Bella Vista. Okay, so not too far away.
Close from here.
But there's more business here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing is that Bella Vista, 2 more guys
Uh-huh.
selling.
Okay.
That's why it's not much sell for me over there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. These cups of shaved ice were only $2 each, which I think is pretty good deal. This is really good. And so if you guys are in Mango Creek and you see Manuel with this little bicycle cart, stop and get some shaved ice.